Springbok coach Rassie Erasmus and captain Siya Kolisi have praised their team's resilience and sacrifice after a second consecutive test match was disrupted by a contentious red card. For 2 weekends running, the Boks were forced to play with 14 men for extended periods after Locke Djaka and Franco Mostert were shown permanent red cards in matches against France and Italy respectively. Despite the setbacks, South Africa powered to 32-17 victory over France and followed it with a 32-14 win against Italy this past Saturday. The early dismissals forced Erasmus and his staff into drastic tactical reshuffles, with players being sacked off far earlier than planned. Kolisi especially bore the brunt, withdrawn in his milestone 100th test against France and again sacrificed against Italy to allow for a Locke replacement. Erasmus admitted the decision have taken a personal toll on the squad and said we have a way to adapt when we get a red card, but it's unfair on individuals like Siya and Ben Jason Dixon who finally got a chance and then had to make a way. We are proud of the team that works hard to avoid dangerous contact, yet we keep getting red cards. Magazole Mabibi and Jasper Wisi each got 6-week suspensions. We are truly trying. He added that while the team has grown closer and more determined through adversity, the emotional damage is undeniable. Is that the game is suffering, not just the players. Yes, we got the results, but I'm still sad when I see guys carrying the consequences of something that happened by accident. Captain Siya Kolisi shared the same sentiment, but emphasized the team's unique mindset and preparedness for chaos, and said we went through it last weekend and then again this week. We just make plans on the field. That's our Africanness. We are always told to show the ability to adapt because life throws stumbles at us. Kolisi praised the collective effort, noting that even squad members not involved on match day are part of the strategic discussions, and said the coaches prepare for every scenario and even the guys are not playing by in. But it's never easy seeing someone like Franco sitting there afterwards. We all felt that hurt. Still, the Boks keeper lauded his team's fighting spirit and said whatever happens between those four lines, we stand up and go as hard as we can. We focus on what we can control. The Springboks now turn their attention to a mouth-watering clash with Ireland in Dublin before wrapping up their end-of-year tour against Wales in Cardiff. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.